Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will take you around in Ponta Delgada, Portugal. So, if you are not familiar with this place yet, just outside the port where the cruise ship docks, you can visit this beautiful church. So, we go there now. Come and join me. Just a few minutes walk on the other side of the street. So there are different restaurants with different variety of foods to choose from. Since I am Asian, so we choose this Asian restaurant. And guys, this is a buffet and it is only for €9.99. And their food is so good, so you have to check this out. And just at the back of the restaurant, on the side of the street, you will see this beautiful shopping area. And guys, if you're in Portugal, don't forget to buy their famous rosary and the Fatima, which have different sizes. And you can also choose from the regular one and the one that changes colors, which is the most popular. So now, let's explore this beautiful souvenir shop. You can see this Fatima, which is color pink. That's the one that changes color. So I believe if the temperature is warm, so it's pink. And if it is cold, color changes from pink to blue. So just correct me if I'm wrong. And just at the other side of the street, this is another area where restaurants are everywhere and shops too. So that's it guys. You don't have to go very far in order to see some beautiful places in Ponta Delgada, Portugal. So just outside the port where the cruise ship docks, restaurants and shopping area are there. Okay. Hope you like it and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.